Future self exercises are a popular tool used by coaches to help you visualize your ideal self. They can help you get really clear about what you want your life to look like in the not so distant future. The problem with future self exercises, though, is that many people stop at the dreaming process, and nothing's really going to happen in your life unless you take action. So you have to take action, right? So how do you do that? If you're new to my channel, hello. My name is Donna DeRosa. I'm an author of the Big Book of Mediterranean Diet Cooking, and I'm also a lifestyle coach specializing in health and wellness. I like to give my clients future self exercises, but then we get down to reality. In order to create your future self, you have to take an assessment of where you are in your life right now. Get to know your present self. I've identified 8 key areas where we can honestly assess our current state of being, and we'll get to them in just a minute. We give ourselves a score in each area so we know where we need to focus our attention. For example, maybe you want a more affluent lifestyle, but you're happy with the current state of your relationships. That gives you a clue as to where you should look for improvement. Maybe you want to have more energy to build this new life. You'll want to look at your health, how you eat, and your sleeping habits. Maybe you're happy with your personal style, so that area doesn't need your attention right now, but you'd like to have some place to wear your clothes. After you take the assessment, you can start planning on how you can improve the areas where you didn't score yourself so high. Let's get into the areas that we look at when we do a life assessment. There's physical health, mental health, work, play, love and family, finances, personal growth, and personal style. I go into more detail in the actual worksheet, which you can download from a link in the description box below. You can also go to my website, DonnaDeRosa.com, and it's the first thing on the homepage. It's important when you look at each of these areas that you don't judge yourself. I want you to look at each of these areas objectively and be curious about why you think you need to do some work in those areas. No one gets a perfect score. That's why we're doing this work. And then start making a list of ways that you can improve in these areas. And when you're making that list, think about your future self exercises that you've done and start making plans that get you one step closer to that future that you're envisioning for yourself. I'm just scratching the surface of this topic in this video. If you want to go into more detail, sign up for my free weekly newsletter at DonnaDeRosa.com. You'll also find a link to that down below. Thank you for joining me today. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, and I will get back to you soon. Bye.